Guys, welcome back to the channel. The chunky fella's back again at a gorgeous Buffalo River. This is the first time I've done a video at this location. I've fished the Buffalo before, but I've never done a video on it. As you can see, it is one of Tennessee's most beautiful rivers. I would say it's a larger version of the Piney River, and if you're not familiar with the Piney River, I have a video a little bit earlier or previously. You can check that out. But I mean, look at these colors, y'all. This looks like the Caribbean. I mean, it is crystal clear and beautiful. America! Hell yeah. Gotta love that. What kind of helicopters were they? Anybody? Apaches? I honestly don't know. If you do, leave a comment. Well, at least I saw an eagle. It wasn't all for naught, at least. Hey. Hallelujah. Oh. I caught a tiny little nothing. Counts. Y'all, my brother came out to join me and brought his boat. So we're gonna see how this turns out. If you wonder why I'm not in a kayak and I'm now in a jet boat, that's what's going on. All right, guys, it's raining. Not just raining a little, it's raining. Nothing better to do in late December than to winter fish in the rain. This sucks. Why'd you let this happen, Jeremy? This was your idea. Can't believe you wanted to do this. What a dumb idea. I have to wipe off the camera lens from time to time. This is awesome. You get a bite? Dude, I saw it turn over right there. Ooh. Little smallie. Buffalo River smallie. And he gone. That's right over there in that brush pile. Ah, spot. Little rock bass. Y'all. Oh, got that quick release. There's a couple different types of fishermen and fisherwomen in this world. And, you know, the week before Christmas, if you're outside in this type of weather, you really, really enjoy this. You really, really appreciate it. It's not warm. I mean, I don't have a raincoat on. It just is what it is, you know. If you're willing to do that, I think you can call yourself a fisherman, even if you don't catch much. So, that's what I say anyway, if the chunky fella's opinion means anything. We're kind of limited on our ability to go upstream based on how shallow this area is. Even in a jet boat, you know, if you're dealing in a few inches of water, it's a challenge. So we're kind of walking up a little bit, trying everything we can do. My brother caught one. He's one of those fishermen that, you know, if he catches one fish, it's a great day. Doesn't matter. 1 fish, 10 fish, he's happy. As long as he catches one. But I'd like to catch a few here. So I'm going to keep trying. No guarantees, certainly. But we're giving it a shot. Like I said, if there's a question, if we're dedicated fishermen, then I think this is proof. Due to some poor sound quality here, I have to voice over, but I was just pointing out that the sun was trying to find its way back out, and certainly warming our bodies up. Yeah. Yeah. All right. A little bit bigger than the other one, but still not very big. We will take it. And he gone. Due to a little bit of rain on my microphone, there was some weird noises going on, so I'm going to go ahead and voice over here. But we're back to the put-in here, and I'm chatting with my brother who's on the bow of the boat. You'll recognize him as my dog Tillman here in a short minute. There's my dog Tillman. Reeling in a nice little smallie, not very big, but as you can see here, I decided to blur out my brother's face. I didn't ask his permission to put him on the video, so you probably saw earlier I blurred out his face too. I don't know if he's comfortable with that, so that'll be a discussion to be had at a later time. But as you can see, it was another little smallie. pretty fish, barely hit the Hellgrammite. Definitely, you know, something you had to stay on top of with the Ned rig, or else you might miss the bite altogether. That's the Buffalo River. Beautiful. You know, if it was a little higher, we probably could have fished more space. So we really only fished about a mile, maybe 3/4 to a mile upstream to basically right there downstream. So there wasn't a lot of options, but we did do better than expected. We caught some fish. All in all, I think it was, for winter, a pretty darn good day of fishing. Caught some smallmouth, a couple of spots. Very excited about the day. As always, thank you guys for joining me fishing. You know, I really appreciate y'all watching. Tight lines to each and every one of you, and I hope to see you again. Thanks, guys.